Josh Cullen released a statement amidst girl group leaders' connection with SB19 basher. The context: the leader of this girl group replied to a tweet from a fan that is also a known basher of SB19. Now, the main tweet and the reply is not in connection with SB19. However, the point of 18 is that the tweet of this fan/SB19 basher did not in any way tag the group or any member, and yet nagreply ang leader dito. Meaning, lumalabas sa kanyang algorithm. Therefore, masasabi nating lahat or majority ng tweets ng fan/SB19 basher na ito ay nababasa din ito, lalo na't napakalaki ng engagement kapag pambabash sa SB19 ang topic ng fan na ito. And yet, she never called out this fan. Yan ang issue ng 18, lalo na't noon ay may member din ng girl group na ito ang nahuling naglalike ng isang shade tweet against SB19. In a much simpler explanation, kapag may kaaway ka at nahuli mo ang iyong kaibigan na naglalike at nagre-react sa kaaway mo, tiyak na magdududa ka na. Now we all know Josh is the one closer to these girls compared to the other SB19 members, kaya marami din ang nagtatag sa kanya. And with this, he released a statement and said, "Funny how I keep getting featured in things I didn't sign up for. So here it is. I hear you and your feelings are valid, but let's not be blinded by hate. We don't need to bring others down just to lift someone up. Let's not jump to conclusions too quickly. Hindi rin kasi lahat alam agad ang buong kwento. I can't bring myself to judge and hate people that easily, even if others try to push me to. That's just how I am. You guys are different. I know that, and that's okay and valid as well. We all have battles people don't see. That's why I choose not to wish harm on anyone ever, kahit madalas ako yung bunot. Let's not get distracted. This was never about competition or clout. We're here to build something genuine, not break each other down. Keep it healthy, keep it respectful. To those who don't like me, I respect you and your opinions. I just hope not try using a bit more critical thinking next time. P.S. Some things don't need a response. Just patience and the right paperwork." And with this, uwi na 18. Let them be. Pero, wag pa kampante.